There are many design patterns and every engine tries to solve this by giving you predetermined patterns that are supposed to solve your game problems, but most of the times it won't solve it 100% of the times, so you end up writing it yourself or modify an existing one. There is nothing wrong with it, but for every kind there is a trade-off. Let me give you a more concrete example. Last month I released Slot Forger, and in that game I designed again a new animation manager. I kept doing the same in pretty much every game, for simple animations like the ones you can see in the slot machine here. So this time I decided to migrate the manager into my card game and make it generic, so for any new game I can extend the logic to new animations or new effects, so I do not have to do the same thing again and again. This week I spent most of it migrating it. It doesn't do much at this moment and sometimes I feel it overcomplicated, but having the opportunity to make just one controller for any new game will make things a lot easier in the long term. Like this, I also enhance several of my import tools. For example, data in this game is stored in Excel and exported to XML. The game can import that information having all the different properties of each card, but many were just numbers, hard to understand and hard to see. When you see the Excel file, for example, items like the lift, bed or shelter are cards that allow you to sleep and rest better. They have also the tag combustible, so it can be used to increase the life of a campfire. Before this change, I could see numbers that were just links to other type of cards, making it very difficult to see what group this card belongs to. Then I changed it to text, which make it a lot easier, but being just text means I could easily make mistakes, and doing validations against text it's a lot harder than just value. So now instead of using a string like the commented code here, I changed everything to enumeration type, so it became a number but in human readable way, forcing validations. There was a lot of work to change the way card properties are used. Like this, many other fields were changed. Even if Excel is a simple way to implement things, I still think there should be a better way, but I have not found it yet. Enough of coding discussions for today. The game is progressing well, status cards are working now and still working on the way to heal and recover. And that's it for this week. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to support my work, please click like and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you do not miss my next update. Thank you so much for watching my journey. See you next week.